Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Isi-share ko po ngayon kung paano magluto ng bean sprout with crispy tofu. This is our ingredients. This is Korean leaves, chili, flour, fried garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Here we go. Lagay na po natin yung ating flour. Naka-ready na po yung ating oil. Lagay po natin yung ating tofu. Lagay na po natin yung ating bean sprout. Takpan lang muna natin siya, guys. Lagay na po natin olive oil. Sesame oil. Chili. Ang ating coriander leaves. Ano muna natin dito? Pepper. Salt. At yung ating fried tofu. Ilagay na natin yung ating oyster sauce. Ito na po ang ating bean sprout with crispy tofu. Ito na po yung ating bean sprout with crispy tofu. Lagyan lang po natin siya ng fried garlic. And the coriander leaves. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.